So hello friends, welcome in this new video. Today in this video I'm going to show you all the process of extending the RAM of your laptop at your home. So I had contacted with the company, so they told me it will take near about 8,000 to extend your RAM, and they will give you home service also. So again I had called to some technicians. They also told me that they will take near about 5,000 to 6,000 rupees to extend the RAM with warranty of 2 years. So I thought that it will be best if I will make some experience more through myself, and I will buy a RAM from Amazon or Flipkart. So I have got that RAM today. So I have thought that it should be made some type of video to show you the whole process to how to extend the RAM. So first I will show you how much RAM is there in my laptop. So we will go into my files and this PC. I will right click on this PC and I'll go into properties. So it will give the page open. Yeah, here is the device name 11th generation and installed RAM is 8 GB. Yeah, here is the RAM which I am getting somehow small. Yeah, it's the RAM of 8 GB in which 7.73 is usable. So that's all about my processor and blah blah blah. So we don't need to care about that. We need to see that whether the 8 GB to 16 GB is extended in Dell Inspiron 15 3000 series. So I'm going to show you how to extend it. So be connected. Okay, let's. So this is the RAM which I have ordered here of 8 GB RAM. You can see here. So you have to be careful with this process that it should not be touched with hand, so that it will get some defects in it whenever we will put it in the laptop. It will not run. That's one cause also, that people touch with this portion also. So I hope I will not touch to that portion. Tighten it to screw. Now let me check. Okay, I'm going to start it. I don't know what will happen, but I hope that all will be well, all will be good. So let me start it. We will hope that everything will be good. Okay, the love has been occurred on screen. Okay, yeah, now here is the step. We have to continue for it. We have to continue for it. This step, you check it again.